happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Many students messaged us saying, Ma'am, we are very scared in this 1 week before the result date and all the emotions that they are going through at this time. Don't worry, guys. This video is not about the result date, anticipation, and all of those things. In this video, we are only going to focus about how to deal with our emotions at this point of time. For the purpose of this video, I am going to bucket you guys into two. The first bucket, they don't care about results because they are extremely confident as to what will happen. If you see Karthik sir, during exam time also he used to be really cool, and during result time also he was very confident and very cool. Now this confidence will come if you definitely know that you will pass, or if you definitely know if you fail also you will not care about results because you would have already started preparing for the next attempt. But in this video, we are going to focus on the second set of people, that is people who are like me. That is, you will get full goosebumps and butterflies in the stomach, and so many emotions will keep going on and on and on. Trust me, for me, attempt after attempt, every result, I used to get those goosebumps, I used to get those butterflies. In this video, I am going to focus only on the second set of people, that is people who are like me. If you see in your entire life, guys, in your entire life's journey, how many times do you actually feel these goosebumps, butterflies and all? 10th board exam? Yes. 12th board exam? Yes, definitely. Foundation? Yes, to an extent. Inter, if you are writing group 1, group 2, separately you will be feeling. Final, definitely you will be having this feeling. Now this roller coaster of emotions, you are able to feel only in this 5 to 7 years of your entire life. Trust me, after CA also, after you become a chartered accountant also, you will be doing few courses. Say for example, I did my CPA Australia after I became a CA. And trust me, the emotion that I had for the CPA Australia results, nothing close to my CA final results, guys. Trust me, after you become a CA, any result cannot match these butterflies, cannot match these roller coaster of emotions that you are going through right now. So how to deal with this emotion? Now, don't try to escape from it, because you definitely cannot escape from it even if you try to do it. So what should I do, ma'am? I should not try to escape from it. So what should you do? Please embrace the feeling that you are going to just have for these 5 to 7 years. If possible, even try to enjoy the feeling. Now in the comment section, please tell me which bucket you belong to and what are the feelings and all that you are having right now, this 1 week before your result date. And when you read other person's comments, you will also know that you are not alone in this journey, and there are so many people who are feeling the same or similar way as to how you are feeling, guys. Now whichever bucket you belong to, all the very best for your results. Thank you.